Buddy, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami flapping bird. This origami is just a bird which can really flap its wings. So, let's start. You're going to need one square sheet of paper. Now just take this corner and fold it to this corner. Crease, then unfold. Then you should be doing the same thing with this side. There's crease, and unfold. Then you should fold this edge up to this edge. Crease, then unfold. Then fold this edge up to this edge. Crease, crease, then unfold. Now what you're going to do is make a base called the preliminary base. So just fold it like this. Fold it along this center crease. Then let me start over. Just fold it like this. Then fold it along the center crease. Then fold it again along that center crease. And make this point. Make this edge squash down. Like this. This is called a preliminary base. Most people call it a squash fold. Now, you should fold these edges into that center crease. And do the same thing to the other side. Fold the center crease. Fold the next edge to the center crease. And you should have something like a kite. Then fold it as crease and unfold. Then flip it over, and you should do the same thing on the other side. Then unfold everything. Now take this top layer and lift it up so that it can lie against this bottom, against this triangle crease. Then you should have these edges to come inside. And crease this diamond shape. It's called a petal fold. Then flip it over and do the same thing with the other side. Along that edge. And if it doesn't come in like it's sinking in, then just give a gentle pull on it. Now you should have something like this. It's called the bird base. Then take this edge and fold it here. It should come like about here. Then you should fold it along the correct angle over there too. Then unfold. Then flip it over and repeat. And unfold. Now open this layer and take this point and fold it along that triangle section there. And make sure the creases are nice and sharp. And close it up. This is called a reverse fold. Then do the same thing with the other side. Now this will be our head section. Just fold it like this. And fold it again like this. Open it up. Put it along the triangle. Close. And you should now have something like this. And for the last step, you just want to fold it like this. Do a very soft fold when you do this. Like this. Then flip it over and use it to soft fold. And then here's your flapping bird. And all you gotta do to make it flap is just pull on its tail. And then it should fly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.